We got tool section at Walmart. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Do apologize for my voice. I'm still trying to get over a cold, so just bear with me. Alright, so we got a titanium drill bit set, 1168, 14 piece. Then we got another drilling bit set. This one does include some spade bits, some looks like some wood and some concrete, 2344. So they do sell just pretty much about everything, basic for drilling and all that stuff, for a repair at Walmart. I really do appreciate it because sometimes those Home Depots and Lowe's, they're closed. Those big box stores, sometimes you could find a Walmart that's 24/7. Got $58 for this 3/8 drill driver kit. It does come with the battery and the charger. Yes, it's the slide-on chargers. It's not the base charger like this one. This one's the fast charger for $44.88. Then you got the impact driver for $79. Again, 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger. And then you got this battery and charger kit, $64. It is a 2 amp hour battery and it's a slide-on. Got the 3-tool combo kit with the circ saw, impact driver, drill driver for $148. 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. I got a 4-tool combo kit, which is really a 3-tool combo kit with the light. $178. So not too bad. But yeah, I guess if they have a sale, that's the time to get this. They do got some adapters, socket adapters, nut drivers. Bunch of nut drivers there and a lot of bits. $14.80. This is actually not a bad little deal, guys, for this little piece set. You got an inflator and then you got an impact wrench. It looks like a mid-torque impact wrench. So the inflator is $39.88 and the impact wrench $169. Yes, it's a little pricey. Again, I will wait for those sales that they got, the buy one get one free and all those. You got a circ saw there for $79. You got jigsaw, orbital jigsaw there for $64. So not bad. A sander there and a detail sander for $49.98. Quarter sheet for $59.88. A router for $88. Not bad. You got a vacuum for $34.97. That's a handheld vacuum dust buster. Then you got a 6-inch bench grinder. $54. Not bad. Then you got a rotary tool from Dremel. $39.88. That's what it looks like. So not a lot to choose from. Just basically that one. Oscillating tool. Blade. $16.844 for a 5-piece. 5-piece metal wheel cutting, $847. So it's not bad. I got some jigsaw blades, 10-piece, $1144. And then you got a 5-piece just beside it, $598. 24 TPI universal shank. A basic drill kit, 3/8 inch. It does include a charger and a case. So $59. Very basic. Again, this is just a bare bones, basically, a starter. Angle grinder, $59. Same thing, basic angle grinder. That's it right there. Looks really nice, actually. Like I said, just basic angle grinder for lighter duty jobs. Kind of nice looking, actually. So pretty nice. And it does come with the charger. You guys do see the side handle and the battery there. So that box was like that when I got there, so I just left it like that. You got, this is a jigsaw. This is a corded jigsaw, $22.88. And then you got a belt sander, $34.88. Alright, you got this organizer. This is actually a really nice organizer. It is compatible with the heart stuff, I guess. It does have a handle on the top, so you can carry a nice carrying handle. $24.48. Got a framing nailer, 21 degree, 3.5, $91. So not a bad deal if you got a quick addition you need to do. You got a 10-gallon oil-free air compressor. This one's $248 retail price. You got a 20-gallon for $298, 165 psi. That's it. Big box there. 20 gallons air compressor, 1.5 horsepower, 165 psi. 5.0 CFM, 130 for the 6-gallon compressor. Now this was like pancake style. 175 psi max psi. You got a 13 amp electric pressure washer, 2300 psi, 198 from Sunjo. And then you got the pressure washer here. This is it's a smaller one. It's 135. I couldn't tell you exactly what the psi was on that one. Pro grade foamer, $44. This is for just a foamer. So if you guys need a foam cannon, basically, you can come to the Walmarts. You got the purple power. I really like to use this to clean the car, like the rims and the grease and all that stuff. So that's a nice chemical to use. $49.87 for the wet and dry vacuum, 5-gallon. $9.94. This is shop lights. I would definitely recommend these lights for you guys. I've used some of these. They're still working for a few years back. They're very bright. You can add a few of these, and they do have a sensor. So I really like that feature that they included this year. You got the yardstick, $298. Just a basic yardstick. You got the levels here on the left, or the right, my bad. So this one's at $15.44. That's for this one on the back. And then you got a 22-piece half-inch drive ratchet deep socket set. It's a nice socket set, hyper tough. This one's $34.88. Not too bad if you got to do a quick repair. Same thing with the socket set. This universal socket set, 3-piece 3/8 drive, $21.44. So it's not bad. You got a 3/8 mechanics tool set, 26-piece, and this one does come with the case. And these are shallow sockets. These are not the deep well sockets, or the long ones. Got some ratcheting wrenches. These are hard 7-piece. Really like to use the ratcheting wrenches that I have. So $34.88. It's a nice set to have. Not the cheapest, but it'll get you out of a situation. You got a 4-piece plier set. It's very inexpensive at $10.44. These are, just keep that in mind, they are the smaller ones. It's not the full size. These are the full size, I believe. You got the 8-inch and the 10-inch groove joints. These are $24.94. Not bad, concerning that the prices are going up. You got some sockets. These are, I believe, these are a 1/4-inch drive. Yeah, 1/4-inch drive, $10.97. Very inexpensive. And then you got the 1/2-inch drive, 9-piece, $15.88. So not too bad. And then you got the heart. The hearts are a little bit more expensive. These are the deep sockets, 1/2-inch drive, $29.88. And you got a 3/8 deep socket set, $24.88. Let us know down in the comment section if you used any of these tools, if you like any of these tools, if they are trash, if you guys like the heart, the hyper tough. Let us know down in the comment section. We want to know. That way you can help somebody else make a buying decision. That's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.